Today I'm going to show you how to get the best Dolphin Fitness discount promo codes in 2024. This is pretty simple, so let's jump right into it. First of all, go to your web browser and you'll have to search for Dolphin Fitness discount promo code. Right here, select this website, and as you can see right here, we'll have a list with the different type of promo codes that we can use for a discount. For example, if you want to get this one with 20% of discount, all you have to do is select show code right here, and now the voucher is going to load, and after that you can copy and apply that voucher on your purchase to get a discount. So as you can see right here, I'm waiting for the voucher to load. I'm going to click right here, and this is the discount code. I can copy this one and I can apply the promo code on my next purchase in order to get a discount. Also, going back to our main search right here, if I'm going to scroll down a little bit, there is this website which is called Glamour Magazine, and right here, you also have some promo codes that we can use. For example, if you want to get this 15% discount voucher, all you have to do is select get coupon right here. And this is the discount code. You can copy the promo code from right here, and you can apply this one on your next purchase to get a discount. So this is all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye bye.